My name is Ava, and I made this 3D house. This is like grass, and then there's a chair, and this is the house. And I'm naming it Home Sweet Home because it's a house.
So the camp experience for our students are ranging from a different variety of classes that they'll go to. They do different instructors for each one. We have instructors that are professional artists. They are professional art teachers. They do art classes. They have some writing skills that they do. They have recyclable costumes that they parade and do a fashion show with.
This is our second one for the summer, second camp of the summer. We did the theater camp back in June, and she's an artist, I feel like, at heart, so loved all the creativity, learning about space and the solar system, so I love the education with the creativity, and she had so much fun. Loved the teachers, loved the kids.
It's an alien.
It was great to meet new people and try new art mediums. It was a lot of fun to do.
You get an opportunity to teach them a little bit about the process, and sometimes process is more important than the final project.
Miss Cynthia connected with me. Mr. Basson, he taught me how to make paper and use cement in my art.
My name is Alexandria, and what I made is this little picture.
I've been teaching at the Irving Arts Center summer camps for about 12 years.
10 years.
Over 20-something years.
4 years.
My 5th summer.
1995, past 23 years.
It's a black, the purple one is a black hole. This is an alien that doesn't even need a ship. All these shiny